Welcome to Digitizedriums, where every digital notebook is a canvas for your imagination. Let's dive into personalizing your very own notebook that not only stands out, but also feels comforting to your eyes. Step 1. Orientation. Are you a fan of the classic? Choose portrait to align with the timeless. Prefer a wider perspective? Landscape is just the right pick for expansive thoughts. Click on your preferred orientation now. Step 2. Background. Now, let's talk backdrop. A classic white background for those who love a blank slate full of potential, like this. Or maybe you're seeking comfort for your eyes. A paper-like background is warm and gentle, reducing glare for those long writing sessions. Choose what feels right for you, like this. Step 3. Color. It's time to add a splash of personality. From vibrant to pastels, pick a color that speaks to you. This will set the mood for every entry, every sketch, and every plan. Select your shade and watch your notebook come alive. Fantastic choice. Your digital notebook is now as unique as your ideas. Step 4. After customizing your notebook, you'll be redirected to a Dropbox page in Safari. No need to sign in or have the app. Simply tap on the download button, and then direct download to save the file. Step 5. Once the file is downloaded, tap the download link or icon at the top right of your Safari window to view the downloaded file. Tap on the file, and then the share icon. Step 6. In the share menu, scroll to find Open in GoodNotes and select it. Step 7. GoodNotes will now open with your new notebook. Choose to import it as a new document or add it to an existing one, and you're all set. You can now start using your personalized notebook in GoodNotes. There you have it. Your bespoke digital notebook is now in GoodNotes, ready to capture all your brilliant thoughts and ideas. We're thrilled to see the masterpieces you'll create. Spectrum of style, personalize your planning with dual-tone designs and a rainbow of options. Elegance meets expression. Craft your custom notebook with a Japanese touch and a color for every mood. Cultural chic, explore beautiful Japan-themed sections adorned with affirmations and intriguing fun facts. Harmony in planning. Our digital notebook merges function with the finesse of Japanese artistry. Palette of possibilities from serene blues to radiant rainbows. Choose the colors that speak to your spirit. Plan, paint, prosper your digital notebook, a masterpiece of productivity in your chosen palette. Capture your chapters with affirmations and fun facts. Each section brings a story to your studies.